Hi everyone! Welcome to another episode of Foodie Pinoy. Today, we're going to cook Ginisang Upo. This is an easy-to-cook vegetable that your kids will enjoy. If you are on a diet, this vegetable dish is for you too. I added pork and dried shrimp to this recipe to further enhance the taste of the vegetable. We can call this Ginisang Upo, pampabawas ng kilo. Here are the ingredients. 700 grams upo, 250 grams pork, 1 medium-sized onion, 5 cloves garlic, salt, and pepper to taste, 2 bundles of miswa, 50 grams dried shrimp. Soak in water for 1 hour, then drain. First, cook the pork in a small amount of water. Once it's dried up, add some oil and fry the pork until brown. Boiling the pork before frying adds a nice texture to the pork. In the same pan, saute the garlic and onion until they slightly turn brown and fragrant. Then, add the shrimp. Next is add the upo. Pour in around 2 liters of water and simmer for 3 to 4 minutes until upo becomes soft. Season with salt and pepper. Lastly, add miswa and continue to stir to prevent clumping. Serve this dish with rice or indulge on this alone if you're on a diet. Here's our Ginisang Upo recipe, also known as Ginisang Upo, pampabawas ng kilo. Enjoy! Support our channel by hitting the subscribe button and liking this video. Thank you!